Hi, this is Marie Lundi, your local real estate professional. I am here at my brand new listing at the famous chocolate factory in the Ironbound section of Newark. Now, this unit has lots to offer, starting with its location. It is only 2 blocks from Newark Penn Station, 15 minutes away from the Newark International Airport, only walking distance from the famous Ferry Street where all of the restaurants are, and you're only minutes away from Prudential Center as well. And so this unit, once again, very cool and trendy. It has exposed brick walls, a new kitchen, a new bathroom, hardwood floors, and it's a corner unit, so you get a lot of natural light coming through. And you have an amazing courtyard where you can kick back, unwind, and relax. And the best thing is you have a garage space, which is definitely a great feature to have in the Ironbound section of Newark. So can't wait for you to take a look at this walkthrough. Of course, if you have any questions or if you want to schedule an appointment, feel free to contact me. Once again, this is Marie Lundi.